Learn with Rose.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn this is and that is. These are very simple but extremely useful in daily life. Let's begin. We use this is when something is near us. We use that is when something is far from us. So the idea is very simple. This means near. That means far. Now let's understand with examples. This is a book. This is my phone. This is a pen. This is my bag. This is my room. All these things are near you, so we use this is. Now look at that is. That is a car. That is a building. That is my school. That is a tree. That is your house. These things are far from you, so we use that is. Now let's make it more practical. Imagine you are holding something in your hand. You will say, "This is my phone. This is my book." Now imagine something is across the room or far away. You will say, "That is a door. That is a window." Now let's also learn the negative form. This is not. That is not. Examples: this is not my book. This is not your pen. This is not my bag. That is not my house. That is not a car. That is not my school. Now let's do a quick comparison. This is my friend. That is my teacher. This is my room. That is your room. This is easy. That is difficult. Now, one important thing. In spoken English, people often use short forms. This is becomes this is in fast speech, but usually we say it clearly. That is becomes that's. Examples: that's my friend. That's my house. That's a good idea. Now let's do a speaking practice. Repeat after me clearly. This is my phone. This is my book. This is my bag. This is my room. This is my friend. Now with that is. That is a car. That is a building. That is my school. That is a tree. That is your house. Now negative sentences. This is not my phone. This is not my book. This is not my bag. That is not my school. That is not a car. That is not my house. Now it is your turn. Look around you and make 5 sentences using this is. Then look at things that are far and make 5 sentences using that is. Speak them out loud. This is very important. This is day 2, and you are already building your foundation. In the next lesson, we are going to learn another simple structure that will help you talk more about your daily life. Make sure you come back for day 3. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.